Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a continuation of the last few videos I've been doing, working on this ash wood and this poplar wood out here at the tree service. The first thing I need to do is get my saw gassed up and oiled up, and we're going to go over here and I'm going to try to get some of this poplar out of the road. I don't know if I'll be able to get to it all today, but I'm going to try to make a big dent and get some of the smaller pieces out of the way, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll get right over there as soon as I get my saw fired up. Well, all right, now I overflow that oil thing about every third time I do it, the damn thing, but I just can't stop in time. It always ends up going too far, and I know it every time. It's really annoying. Anyways, here we go. Let me move over here and get set up, and we'll start bucking on this poplar wood. Okay, now here we are at this poplar wood, and it's some pretty large wood. I'm not so sure that I'm going to be able to get to this today. It's just a big piece of wood. These smaller pieces I can do, but that one large piece, I don't know that I feel like bucking that all up right this moment. I might give it a shot, but that's quite a bit of work right there. So let me just go ahead and get my saw fired up and do a little bit of work on this and get some of it out of the road. I don't know how much I'll get done, but anyways, here we go. Okay, I do want to mention that this is the limb wood off of that larger poplar tree, and there was some ants in that damn thing, so I spent the time bucking it up, but some of it's going to go to waste. Okay, now I'm just not going to be able to move that big piece of wood today. That's a whole other day's work. It's a full day's work to do that. So I got all this little stuff out of the way, made a little bit of room for their truck to get through, and as soon as I can come back and have a fresh start, I'll work on that bigger log. But it's about $7 or $8 of that big wood, and then you got to noodle it all down, and it'll be all over the place. I just don't have time to be doing all that today. So I'm going to get this stuff split up now and finish up my truckload of wood. I just need to kind of fill in right here and mount it up a little on top there. And I'm going to call it a day for today. I've made some wood, so I'm doing all right. I made some videos, made some wood. Okay, as I said, I got as much as that bucked up as I can today now. I've been out here working since about 7 a.m. Well, I haven't been here, but I had to go deliver 2.5 ricks of firewood, and then I went and changed and came out here, and I need to have a break and get some lunch. It's too much work to get going on that log. Like I said, it's about $7 or so, $7 or $8 to get through that, and I got to noodle it and move it and everything. So I moved it all off the road. That stuff has ants in it over there now. And this is my load of wood that I got today. It's poplar and ash, so that'll dry out real nice here by January and be some nice burning wood. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.